deploy some Tomcat and servers. So today we will discuss about the deploy deploy on a Tomcat server. Jenkins job name deploy on a Tomcat server. Okay, Jenkins, and we need a Jenkins server and a Tomcat server. Yeah. So we will install another EC2 instance. We will launch another EC2 instance is a Tomcat server. So adding deployment steps, install deploy on a container plugin. This plugin needs to deploy on contact on Tomcat server, guys. Install deploy a container plugin. This plugin needs to deploy on the Tomcat server. Install deploy to container plugin without restart. Manage Jenkins plugins available and deploy to container. Jenkins should need access to the Tomcat server to deploy build artifacts. Jenkins should need access to the Tomcat server to deploy build artifacts. Set up credentials to enable this process. Use the credential option on the Jenkins homepage. So set up credentials Jenkins, global credentials, add credentials, username and password ID, guys. So the description, user to deploy the Tomcat VM. So the setup to create a deploy on the Tomcat server Jenkins job. So deploy on Tomcat server. This is the job, guys. So from the Jenkins homepage, select the new item, deploy on Tomcat, the enter name, deploy on Tomcat server. Copy from Tomcat build. So the source code repository, this is the source code repository, and the AML branches to the AML, guys. So Polysem ***, if you press the Polysem ***, it will be every time build root pom.xml goals options clean install package. So postable actions, var Tomcat 8 credentials deployer. This is the, guys, save and run the job. So today